This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Fallout New Vegas in full screen. Many players encounter issues where the game doesn't launch correctly, often appearing in a small window. This can be frustrating, but don't worry, we'll walk through the simple steps to fix it. Achieving a true full screen display significantly improves your gaming experience, making the Mojave Wasteland feel even more expansive and immersive. Let's get started with the first crucial step. First, launch Fallout New Vegas and head straight to the main menu. From there, you'll want to select Options and then proceed to Display Settings. Within this menu, locate the Windowed Mode option and make sure it is unchecked. This is a critical step to prevent the game from launching in a small window. Also, set your resolution to match your monitor's native display for the best visual quality and a seamless full-screen transition. Sometimes, the in-game settings aren't enough, and you'll need to make a small tweak to an INI file. Navigate to your Documents folder, usually under My Games, then Fallout NV, and find Fallout Prefs. INI. Open this file with a simple text editor. Look for the line B full screen equals 0 and change the 0 to a 1. Also, ensure iSize H and iSize W reflect your monitor's exact vertical and horizontal resolution for perfect scaling. If you're still encountering issues, there are a few more things to try. Community patches, like the unofficial patch, often resolve common display problems and improve overall stability. Always ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause unexpected visual glitches. A quick computer restart after making changes can also help. Finally, be aware that certain mods might conflict with full-screen settings, so try disabling them if problems persist. Enjoy your full-screen adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.